Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some public sector economics trivia. Which economic measure assesses government spending? Is it A, supply chain, B, monetary policy, C, fiscal policy, or D, GDP growth? The correct answer is C, fiscal policy. What is the study of taxation and government expenditures? Is it A, tax policy, B, fiscal policy, C, public finance, or D, budget analysis? The correct answer is C, public finance. Which model explains taxation effects on welfare? Is it A, game theory, B, equity theory, C, market equilibrium, or D, welfare economics? The correct answer is D, welfare economics. What is an indirect tax on goods called? Is it A, property tax, B, excise duty, C, sales tax, or D, income tax? The correct answer is C, sales tax. What do economists call a natural monopoly? Is it A, market oligopoly, B, competitive industry, C, public utility, or D, private enterprise? The correct answer is C, public utility. Which body reviews government budget proposals? Is it A, executive office, B, judicial branch, C, legislative committee, or D, public opinion polls? The correct answer is C, legislative committee. Which economic term measures national production? Is it A, gross domestic product, B, net income, C, inflation rate, or D, national deficit? The correct answer is A, gross domestic product. What refers to services provided by the government to enhance individual welfare? Is it A, market goods, B, tax incentives, C, private services, or D, public goods? The correct answer is D, public goods. What is the economic theory advocating minimal government intervention? Is it A, fiscal policy, B, laissez-faire, C, command economy, or D, Keynesian economics? The correct answer is B, laissez-faire. Which type of tax is based on fixed rates regardless of income? Is it A, flat tax, B, progressive tax, C, capital gains tax, or D, income tax? The correct answer is A, flat tax. What economic strategy involves publicly funded programs to stimulate growth? Is it A, laissez-faire policy, B, Keynesian economics, C, supply-side economics, or D, monetarism? The correct answer is B, Keynesian economics. What is the economic framework for distributing limited resources? Is it A, supply chain management, B, resource allocation, C, market saturation, or D, economic expansion? The correct answer is B, resource allocation. What is the fiscal measure to manage inflation through spending? Is it A, austerity measures, B, quantitative easing, C, supply-side economics, or D, counter-cyclical fiscal policy? The correct answer is D, counter-cyclical fiscal policy. What is the economic measure of the tax burden on individuals? Is it A, fiscal policy, B, income elasticity, C, tax rate, or D, tax incidence? The correct answer is D, tax incidence. What refers to non-mandatory government expenditure? Is it A, federal taxes, B, budget surplus, C, mandatory spending, or D, discretionary spending? The correct answer is D, discretionary spending. Which economist is known for theories on public choice? Is it A, Milton Friedman, B, Amartya Sen, C, John Maynard Keynes, or D, James Buchanan? The Correct answer is D, James Buchanan. What is the political process of budget formation called? Is it A, revenue forecasting, B, budgetary process, C, appropriations committee, or D, fiscal accountability? The correct answer is B, budgetary process. What concept describes benefits generated by public investment? Is it A, public returns, B, capital depreciation, C, social losses, or D, private gains? The correct answer is A, public returns. Which term refers to the minimum government involvement needed? Is it A, regulation, B, maximalism, C, intervention, or D, minimalism? The correct answer is D, minimalism. What is the result of taxation used for social welfare programs? Is it A, redistribution, B, corporate profits, C, tax reduction, or D, tax evasion? The correct answer is A, redistribution. What principle applies to ensure equal tax burden across all income levels? Is it A, tax loopholes, B, tax avoidance, C, horizontal equity, or D, vertical equity? The correct answer is C, horizontal equity. Which international organization provides guidelines for public finance? Is it A, United Nations, B, International Monetary Fund, C, World Health Organization, or D, World Trade Organization? The correct answer is B, International Monetary Fund. What economic model involves significant public management of resources? Is it A, socialism, B, feudalism, C, anarchism, or D, capitalism? The correct answer is A, socialism. What is the name of the fiscal responsibility law in the U.S.? Is it A, Deficit Reduction Act, B, Budgetary Compliance Law, C, Fiscal Control Act, or D, Balanced Budget Act? The correct answer is D, Balanced Budget Act. Which term refers to regulations and restrictions placed on businesses? Is it A, market trends, B, economic regulations, C, financial audits, or D, business ethics? The correct answer is B, economic regulations. What is the main purpose of antitrust laws? Is it A, promote competition, B, prevent mergers, C, encourage monopolies, or D, increase prices? The correct answer is A, promote competition. Which economic concept refers to externalities affecting public resources? Is it A, market failure, B, public goods, C, fiscal policy, or D, supply shock? The correct answer is A, market failure. What economic term refers to the sustained increase in general price levels? Is it A, inflation, B, recession, C, stagnation, or D, deflation? The correct answer is A, inflation. Which branch generally executes the national budget? Is it A, local government, B, executive branch, C, legislative branch, or D, judicial branch? The correct answer is B, executive branch. What kind of tax system taxes individuals based on their earnings? Is it A, property tax, B, flat tax, C, progressive tax, or D, sales tax? The correct answer is C, progressive tax. What concept examines the costs of public policies? Is it A, economic impact study, B, policy effectiveness report, C, cost-benefit analysis, or D, public expenditure review? The correct answer is C, cost-benefit analysis. Which document outlines a government's financial plan? Is it A, balance sheet, B, budget proposal, C, tax code, or D, financial statement? The correct answer is B, budget proposal. What refers to borrowing to finance public spending? Is it A, deficit spending, B, tax revenue, C, public saving, or D, budget surplus? The correct answer is A, deficit spending. What economic model highlights the role of government in economic growth? Is it A, monetarist model, B, Keynesian model, C, classical model, or D, supply-side theory? The correct answer is B, Keynesian model. What is the approach of compensating negative effects of policy decisions? Is it A, reaction plan, B, strategic withdrawal, C, punitive measure, or D, mitigation strategy? The correct answer is D, mitigation strategy. Who is the prominent economist associated with public economics? Is it A, John Maynard Keynes, B, Richard Musgrave, C, Milton Friedman, or D, Paul Krugman? The correct answer is B, Richard Musgrave. What is the economic term for government allocation of resources? Is it A, private funding, B, wealth distribution, C, public expenditure, or D, tax evasion? The correct answer is C, public expenditure. What describes government efforts to enhance social welfare? Is it A, social policy, B, environmental law, C, fiscal policy, or D, economic reform? The correct answer is A, social policy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.